I'm not telling anything new here. I'm going to reconfirm one more time that what you already know is absolutely true. If there are only three things to see a significant change in one's life, what are those three things? Not 10, 20, or 100. Number one, never ever compare with others. As it says, others are always different. Their DNA is different. Their purpose of life is very different. If there is one person you have to compare, that's only you. The research says that humans are using only 5% of their true potential. You have 95% left already anyway. So you can do many more things as per your wish, as per your interests and choices. So there is no reason to compare with others. It's okay to clap for others' success. Okay to wish for others' goodness. Number two, always think from others' perspective in a personal life or professional or any other way. Any situation you're in, you just hold on for a second and think from others' perspective. What would you do if you are that person? Don't just react to the situation. Think about it deeply, honestly, and react to it slowly. Number three, life always gives you a ton of opportunities as per your wish, if your wish is very strong. It's not about getting opportunities. You get to see the opportunities through different people, different situations, and in many other ways. The key here is recognizing those opportunities and responding very quickly. Thank you.